Okay. Switches. We're good. Cam's recording type on cruise. White balance. Satellites. 7 and 4. Wait a minute. Yeah, no white light, which means the ST16 isn't up yet. 4 is not enough. We're about a minute in. We'll take a picture of this. 9 and 4. And we got the purple light but no white light. And why won't you take a picture? Huh. Now we got 6 and 11. That should be enough. Yeah, that's more like it. Record. We'll take a picture of the screen. And 1, 2, 3. No spin up. Huh. Nothing. And GPS lost. 7, 8 satellites here, 10 there, huh? Nine, 10. Well, now it's happy. 12 and 9. But no startup. A minute and 23 of recording on the flight camera. Everybody's happy, but I don't see the white light. I've got 9 satellites here. Turn off the LEDs. Yeah, that works. Off on the LEDs. That works great. Home altitude 114.8 feet. Really? Says no arm, huh? Hardware monitor. We are bound. There's the beep beep. And there's all the signals. Yeah, there's the white light. And it tells me The ST16 has a location, but nothing. Whoa, look at that. I idle. It says angle mode. Holy shit. Where is it? I don't have any control. This is a flyaway, folks. Well, come on down. Come on down. Son of a bitch flew up on its own as though it was in return mode, and now it won't come down. Come on down. It goes up every time I go to angle. What if I go to smart? $355 feet up from somewhere I don't know where, and I can't get it down. Where the hell is it? Oh man. Oh shit. Oh shit. Nothing to the down, huh? And when I put it in angle mode, it climbs. When I put it in smart mode, it climbs. When I put it in home mode, it hovers and won't come down. Tilt mode. Let's see if the camera works. Yep. Holy shit! Well, that's the end of that. Bam! Fell out of the sky at 300 feet. Destroyed it. Son of a bitch!